If you're going to Europe, you're going to need one of these. And this basically is a converter for plugging in all of your electronics, and if you've got hair straighteners, sometimes hair dryers, depending on the wattage, you can use this, sometimes not. We're going to go through it. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and unbox this bad boy. This is basically your travel adapter and power converter. And it's a little bit bigger than like a lot of things that most people try to take with them on a vacation. I mean, it's got this big cord, it's thick. This is where you put your various plugs. And you can see they got them right here. So you've got a bunch of different ones, depending on where you're going, okay? So in Europe, you're gonna be using this. And I think in Croatia, they use this. And I can't remember, like this type C and type F plugs, all right? If you're going to London, I do believe that this was the UK, or maybe it was this one. But anyway, this is for Europe. And then this is your American ones, you know what I mean? So you got that, and you got this one here with the ground on it. So here's your main unit that you're going to be using. All right, so anyway, here's your plugs, your regular plugs for your stuff. And this is the power button here. The side, you've got 3 USB-A, 1 USB-C, right? And I guess this is a heat exchange here. So the way it works is on this end, you've got to plug this bad boy in, right? So here's the unit itself, right? And you can see it shows you that you can use these flatteners, but it does say that you can't use a hairdryer over 1,000 watts. Here you have 3 USB-A, 1 USB-C, and on this side is where you plug in this cord. You follow me? So this has to go like this, and then on the end of it, right here is where you put your different plugs, and you have this that releases it. You see that little clip inside there? So let's go ahead and we'll put the one for Croatia in there. So if you look, you're gonna see there's a little catch there. There's 3 contacts here. So this would slide in there like that. You gotta get it, see these little grooves? You gotta kind of like get it in there, and then you just push her down. And once it's in there, you're good. Now to get it out, you've got to press this button. Press it, and then it slides out like that. So that one's for Croatia. Here's our European one, and we'll slide that in there. You got to make sure you get this side in, right? It's kind of it's tight fit here. Why is that not going in there? Oh, there we go. So it takes a little bit of doing, but so when you don't need to push this when you snap it in, but when you want to get it out, you got to press it so it pops out like that. This one's doesn't go in easy. Yeah, there we go. So that's for Europe. Let's get her out. And I think this one here is UK. And same thing. Let's see if it fits. I hate to get over there and the thing doesn't work. All right, that's in. Yeah, there we go. And then to get it out, we press this. Bam, done. All right, so this is a little bit bigger type of thing than many people are used to. We've gotten the smaller ones, but this is supposed to convert 230 or 220 to 110, which you may need for some of your devices. And I mean, it's a little bit bigger, it's more bulkier, but it may come in very handy. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos.